Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my new video. I am Shoid over here and we are watching Shoid's editing. For this video I gonna use this picture. First we gonna go to Snapseed. After coming to Snapseed, I select tool option, then go to tune image and tune everything as you want. Here you can tune brightness, contrast, saturation, highlight, shadows and many more. After tuning the picture, click to OK option. Then go to tools option again. After that, we're gonna choose selective. Other side of the road and adjust it. Then click the plus icon again and select the green area. Then click to the plus icon again and work on legs. After the editing, click to OK option and go to tools option again and select this option. Outer brightness will be -8 and inner brightness will be +90. The picture is ready. Then click to OK option and go to done option and your picture will be saved to your gallery. Hey, if you're new here and don't subscribe my channel, then please subscribe it and turn on the notification bell and choose all.